Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, we are making slime. But this isn't just any type of slime. This is gonna be some glitter slime. When I was in the car, I peeled the label off. I don't know why. And this is my activator. It's all like glue because I kind of just use it a lot and stuff. So it's like full of glue. So let's get on with the video. Just gotta get the glitter glue. This can be really pretty. Come on. It's like really hard. Oh, okay. Ow. Out. Out. Whatever. So let me know if I can get out. And then we're gonna add a pinch, not that much, but a pinch of baking soda. And then we're gonna activate. Here we go. Okay. So we're gonna put them together. Okay, I'm like using the camera as my eyeballs right now, and I can't see anything. See, as it's like kind of coming together. Sorry. It's like sucks. I'm just gonna patch it. It's kind of coming together. It's so pretty. Maybe start a little bit. Pinch baking soda. Start to come together. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Activate. Okay, it's starting to come off the edge, so I'm gonna put it on the table. This is a mess. Well, who cares, to be honest. I will clean it up, hopefully. Oh, I don't want to touch this. I'm only gonna need this with one hand because I need the other hand to add more activator. Definitely more activator. I'm not putting this over because I'm way too afraid to drop my phone in it. This is not satisfying at all. Sorry guys, but this is not satisfying at all. You need like a lot of activator for this. I honestly don't know why, but sorry, that keeps on blocking your guys' view. It's working though. Come on, activate. Okay, I'm going with my hands. I have to. It's the only way to activate it. It's actually kind of not that hard. actually coming together. I know like some people pause, but I want you guys to see the real struggle of slime. Like, ugh. Oh, hey, Mom.
Okay, just be sure to clean up your mess when you're done, okay? Don't be upset about the movies.
Okay.
Just come get me if people show up.
Okay.
Love you, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Tomorrow you have a big birthday.
Yeah. I also forgot to tell you guys that today is my birthday, so say happy birthday to me, please. Thank you. But that was my mom, if you all didn't really know. So, yeah. It's a little bit better. It's kind of good, but it's still sticky. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Sorry if you see this, but I made like slime earlier. As you can see by my like pink hands, like right there and right there. If you want to see the pink slime, here it is. That's my pink slime. It's so pretty. Still kind of sticky, so oh, I almost forgot about this. I still need to kind of I got like $20 for my birthday. So guess what I bought? I bought these. It wasn't that much, it was like about $3, so I still got money left. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me making some glitter slime. Yee! I'm gonna have a new slime to play with. Yeah. Make sure to like the video, turn on the notification bells, and subscribe. Thanks.